Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Let's do a little index check as we head into the holiday. As a reminder, we'll be closing early tomorrow and then early again on Friday. So just make sure you don't get stuck in something that you are not intending to be in over the weekend or even overnight from Thursday to Friday. So the Dow, a little bit of a struggle bus today, but I mean, not terrible by any means. We had quite a run up here. So a bit of a pullback is not the end of the world. We're only down just over 100 points at this recording. So, like I said, not that big of a deal. If we do push lower later this week and into next week, this is going to be your next target down here, 44,509. And if we go higher, hey, those are more all-time highs. So as always, we just use the ATR to determine where that might be. Currently, the ATR is 480. So if we take current price plus about, let's just round up for easy math, 500, that would give us our next target. Moving on to the NASDAQ. Now, this one is down a little worse. Still solid, though. We're being held up by that standard line. We basically crashed through the turning line, hit that standard line, and used that as support to bounce off. So that would be your next target to the short side. To the high side, we'll take this little high mark right here around 21,084. The Russell is the only one up from where it was yesterday. I mean, less than 2 whole points. As I'm recording this, it's going even lower. We'll see what happens. But kind of a wonky day, just a lot of wick on that thing. Most of this body is down toward the lower edge, which is not necessarily a great sign. I mean, especially in that everything else is more negative. So next target up would be yesterday's low, 24.18. I should say next target down. And as for up, it would be, what is this up here? We'd have to get back to around 24.77 and wrapping up with the S&P. Oof, man, that's just right up in there. Target to the high side would be 60.53. Target to the short side would be 59.76. As a heads up, this coming Sunday, we'll be doing How to Get Funded live. I'll be updating the course so you can come and ask all the questions that you have. And then we will be diving into an intensive in December. That is live trading together 3 days a week. That's currently 50% off with my Black Friday sale. I'll put the link in coupon code down below if you'd like to check that out. I'd love to have you join us. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving tomorrow if you celebrate. And even if you don't, take a moment to consider what you are grateful for, because no matter what is going on in your life, there is always, and I repeat, always something to be grateful for. And what we know from experience is that when we are grateful, we end up having even more to be grateful for. So I'm grateful for you. Thank you so much for being a subscriber to the Daily Rage and really creating this community with me over the past few years. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.